let's do it. Let's go in here to our Copilot. If you don't have the Copilot subscription, you're not gonna be able to do this, but essentially let's turn our index for now into let me think about this. How do I want to do it? So create, let's just do files app. Create an onboarding section with a login page. Let's just do a simple, login page using React Native Firebase modules. Oh, we need to also bring in the Firebase Auth here in the .json, this one. And after that, we need to do this one, yes. So let's make that. Fire this in here, install this. This is gonna give us our auth. Let's run it again. Hopefully this is going to be fine. So let's have this whip up a simple login page using React Native Firebase modules. And basically I wanted to modify the layout so that if the user is logged in, it takes the user to the tabs, and if it's not, it's on the login page. Let's see what it spits out. I feel like a wizard doing this right now. It is literally like wizardry, actual magic. Like when I first started coding, this would have been just absolutely mind-blowing. So I think what I wanted to do just from doing it before is basically have like, if the user's logged in, it'll switch between this stack and like an auth stack. Yeah, there's the auth stack, sweet. So it's creating the login page. It's creating an authentication layout file. It's interesting, I want to see what it's doing here. So there's a layout, a login. Nice. So it's updating the root layout to handle the authentication state. You'll need to install Firebase packages. I have those. Replace the config with your actual project settings. Make sure the required components, theme, text, theme, view. Auth has not been registered yet. Okay. What did it change here? React Native Firebase Auth, that's fine. Okay, what the heck? Put an auth. So get auth right here. Auth. Sweet, so it used, where's my Firebase config? Firebase. Again, it looks like it's doing it properly. Use the get auth. The get auth looks like a hook that's used here, which probably returns like the current user. Nice. So let's get this auth ripping. Once we get this done, I think that that's a good start for the time being. And then in the next video, we will dive into actually creating this $10,000 monthly recurring revenue mobile app using Expo, Firebase, React Native. Come on, baby. Load up for me. Yeah, I mean, the cool thing is I don't plan on working on this unless I'm actually recording. So you guys will see every step of the way for me to build this app from start to finish, which is going to be amazing for you guys. I think it would be an awesome learning experience for me. We'll go through it. I'll check the comments and stuff. You know, if there's anybody that wants me to do something interesting with the app, if there's a blue collar guy who's just starting off and he wants to use the app and he wants to hit me up, he totally can. And, maybe I can give it to him for free just so he can kind of use it. And I don't know, having one person or 10 people use this app for free, it costs nothing. But it's once it starts to get huge, then it's like, then the actual database bill, the auth bill, the authentication all starts to cost money. But let's see here, hasn't been registered. Okay. So, let's see here, what is going on? Missing acquired. Oh no. Error component auth. It's not been registered yet. Let's just plug it in there. Oh, what is that? What is that? All right, here we go. All right. There's no way that actually worked. That's crazy. Sign up. Let's just do, I don't know, j@gmail.com. I have no idea. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for password. Cannot read property auth if undefined. Okay. So we still have that same problem. Cannot read property auth if undefined. Ah, this might do it. It's using the wrong one. Oh wait, maybe it's not. So get auth. Maybe we don't actually need to do that. Let's do this. Just keep. So it looks like, and then we will do, what are we using auth here for? Let's do get auth. On auth state changed. Get auth, yeah, like this. Get auth comes from this. I think we're using the wrong packages. Yeah. Oh. New queue. It's just gonna be any for now. Get auth, log in. And we're going to do the get auth, so sign in, handle auth state change. Nice. Okay, let's do email sign in, get auth. Okay. And it's going to be the get auth thing here. Well, to to React Native Firebase. Auth. Yeah. Let's nuke that. And we will do, oops, what do we do here? Oops. Let's nuke, oh. Use this get auth for the auth here. Yes, yes. All right, that's beautiful. Now, are we hurting? Are we in trouble? Are we hurting? Are we alive? Is it working? So essentially what we had to do, it was using the Firebase packages where we did not want them to use Firebase. We want them to use the React Native Firebase packages because the Firebase packages won't let you use the analytics or anything like that. It's much easier to set up, but it is not better in the long run by far. Let's see here. How down bad are we? Okay, that's not a bad sign. That's not a bad sign. Let's just make some janky, you know what we need to do? We are allowing this sign-in method here, adding a new provider, email and password. Yes, we will enable that. Huge, okay. If that wasn't enabled, then we wouldn't be able to do it. And we also have the Apple one enabled. We did that earlier, but the email and password one is what the AI has spit out for us, so that is what we're going to do for now, and we certainly will add in the Apple one down here eventually. So let's see. Boom, it works. Wow. Okay, let's see. Users. Look at that. Our first user. Boom. That's us. We know when it was created. Signed in. Got our user ID. Wow. This is huge. Okay. Now we have a login page. That's massive. Now we're vibing. Now we can commit that because we don't want to break it. So let's just run that. Reload. We're vibing. We're vibing. This is absolutely massive. Look. Looks like it doesn't need actually the React Native async storage. That was probably only for the web app version that I've done before. So you don't need to do that part. This is massive. So we now have Auth ready to rock and roll. We have users being recorded. We have some tabs here ready to code, and